Ever dreamed of launching your own app but got stuck in the coding nightmare? What if you could just chat your idea into reality? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into AutoCoder.cc, the game-changing AI tools that redefining app development. With a single prompt code, AutoCoder's AI dev team craft a stunning full-stack app, complete with pro designs, shameless backend, and built-in database. No super base hassle, no technical skill required. Let's check this out with building one of the real-life project. And here, if you go to their price section, that have the free credit, you will also get it when you create one of the free registration. By default, you will get that as a 10 credit. So now with this 10 credit, I want to build one of the web application, and I want to check it what type of project you can actually build it from here. And if you notice, they have the different type of template is already in here, like as a e-commerce template, the restaurant related template, the different type of website application. So everything is created throughout that prompt code. So here I want to check it, and if you already notice, that is all in one code automator. That is UI that will be generated, backend will be generated, database will be generated, and also much more. And now I want to put one of the prompt code is in here, and now like for education purpose, I want to use one of that in details prompt code. So you can only use it as a create a multi-purpose corporate that is a corporate product landing page for the SaaS businesses. I want to build one of the SaaS product, so that will be SaaS application, one of the our web application. I want to develop it, and that is actually one of the in details prompt code, because when you put the appropriate prompt code to the AI, especially into the vibe coding area, then that will give you more interactive result. So that is the reasons I want to find out their best result by detail this prompt, and that is the prompt code. You will get it in your video description, so don't worry about it. Okay, rather than they have also another option for optimize it. So if you want to optimize this prompt in more detail, you can also able to do it. But now I have already added one of the prompt code, and as I told you, that is the prompt code. You will get it in your video descriptions area. Now I want to hit this button. Let's check this out with this chat. Now I will develop our entire total application, and also it's showing me as this may take 3 minutes. That means this agent is already started to developing this project, and it may take little time. And here you can see it's already created one of the total your structure, like as a requirement, a list, the SaaS corporate product landing page official site. That will be font-end as a home page. They have the different type of section is already created. If you want to zoom it, you can also zoom, and you can check out what type of features I have actually added. So as I told you, I have already added one of the in detail prompt code. So that is the reason. So you can see it's already getting that our home page. They have some of the multiple section, like as a font-end logging section, register page, the blog list, about us page, the feature page, the pricing page, and also for the blog listing, that should be another blog details page. Very interactive, right? And also that will be built up, that is our corporate landing page management section, that is management systems area. That will be one of the dashboard, and into this our backend, that will be when this user will be logged in, that will be access that our dashboard, and into this dashboard area, that should be the price plan management, the testimonial management, the features management, the team management. So that will be our backend part. So from to the backend, that is our backend structure, and that is our front-end structure. How much interactive, friend? One of the full stack web applications, you can able to develop it. So here I want to make it as okay. That means that is fine. So I just also is ask me one of the messages, the requirement list is user flow are ready, need to changes, that tell me. So if you want to change anything is in here, you can also add that things in your prompt in your chat area. Rather than I think that is fine for me right now, I just make it as a yes. No changes required. Okay, just make it as a no, and then the changes required, and just build this. Okay, I just want to make it as a just build this with this layout. Now let's check this out. I just approve it. Now it's building to start that project and build this our entire applications again. So now it's asks me about the for the confirmation. That is a confirmation for the generate demo. I make it as a generate demo, and now you can see its analyzing is completed. Now it's building this page, and then next step will be as a finishing up. Okay, so that is our entire total application. AI is working one by one. That will that is already analyzed this input all the data, what type of page that will be developed. Now one by one that is selected all that our pages, and it's building all that our pages. And now after that, that is start to work for finishing up our entire total application. And when that will be finished, our total entire page, and that means our portal project that should be displayed here. And also if you want to deploy it, you can also able to deploy it, and you can see AutoCoder is still working. And boom, here you can see friend, our project is successfully created. That is a two part. One is our front end part, and also that have the back end part. Great. And also it's successfully displayed. It successfully display our total structure, how he organized our total web application, that is a front end and home page. And you can see it's very clean and very good looking interactive one of the web application is successfully created. And if you actually check out it, here you can see everything, that is a different type of plan is also in here. Everything is loaded, integrations related, everything is loaded. So now that's great. And FAQ section, they have the FAQ section is loaded. And then that is our blog section. They have also the blog details pages already in here. And now that is our one of the CTA section. Perfect. And that is the footer. How much interactive and very clean one of the web application is generated. Not only your front end, also they have the back end. And if you go to that back end, you can see our dashboard is created fully, and that is totally functional. A different type of user, how many users there have, that will be displayed. Some of the demo user in here, they have the blog, they have the testimonial, because here they have already one of the some of the testimonial is displayed in our front end area. If you want to check it in our full view, then that will be more interactive, that you can also able to add that as a full view. Okay, for the website, that means our front end, I want to also open it, and here now you can see very interactive web application is created with our prompt code, and that is very interactive. Right here you can see everything is in here is totally dynamic. Like if you go to that our FAQ section in our backend, and from here if you go to that our testimonial, that is a FAQ section, that is the section as how to quick you can get started. And if you go, you can see that is the our quick started. So now here if you also want to do or to change it, like that is actually our details, and also the edit button. If you click as the edit, I make it as a hi Aryan. I name it just for education purpose. I want to use it as Aryan, and answer also I want to make it as a hi Aryan. Okay, so now I want to check it in our both of these places that is successfully working or not. And also you can define that our order that is right now displayed into the first area. So if you want to make it into the second order, you can also do it. Now I updated my question, updated my answer. Now click as the OK, and here when you OK it, you can see updated successfully. And if you now go here, and now if you refresh that page, our front end, now into this front end, and now if you go to that our FAQs, and into this FAQs you can see successfully updated our Aryan, and also the answer as a hi Aryan, both of these updated. It means here now each and everything is one of the full stack application is successfully generated. How much interactive it is, friend. I hope you get the point. And now also that is a subscription based analytics also is created, and that is your analytics. You can export it, you can export with the PDF or the CSV. Here you can export it, that will be also your real data. And that is the team, different type of team member. Right now in our front end area also they have the display that our team member, and now that is the team is also visible. Okay, and you can see it's also created that our feature page, and that is our feature related page is successfully generated, and all the things is in here. Okay, and also if you go to that our pricing page, now pricing page is successfully loaded as a choose your perfect plan, and that is our monthly plan, the yearly plan, full stack our web application is successfully created. not only the front end, it's also developed that our back end and the blog section, and you can see that have all that our blog. And not only that, if you want to search it with the blog, you can also able to search it like as a 10 best. I want to use it as a 10 and then the best. Okay, you can see it's already getting that our 10 best. Perfect. So now here, actually, if you want to build this type of one of the project, a lot of time actually it will be consuming, but here you can see with single one prompt code, we are developing this type of one of the interactive full stack web application. That is our front end, and also they have the back end, right? So also they have the another about page, and about page area they have also some of the mission, some of the vision, the story of the journey, the team. So that is all that your team and team information. So if you want to update it, you can update it. Your values, company related values, if you go to the our backend, right now that will be not needed. Here if you go to the our backend, and into this backend area, here everything you will find out it, that is your team related data. So team related information, so if you want to update it, you can actually update it. Your feature related data, if you want to update it from to the backend, you can update the pricing data. So that will be your pricing data, the blog page, the user page. And if you now go to that our blog page, into the blog page area, here if you go to that our blog details, now also is generated that our blog details as per, also is generated with the images. Everything is in here. Okay friend, I hope you get the point. It's very interactive, one of the platform, AI platform, that is AutoCoder. And here that is a front end is ready, back end is ready. If you want to edit something, you can also able to edit it here. Only you have to add that what type of things you want to change it. Automatically that will be changeable. Okay, so now if you want to deploy it, you can also able to deploy it. That will be the deploy it in your, if you want to add that custom domain, you can also able to add your custom domain. Right now it's already into the live, and you can see it's successfully generated that our backend, right? So that is our backend is ready, that means front end is ready, and that is our backend is ready. Admin can able to log out, and that will be our front end. Here user can able to log in, that is our sign up page, and also the sign in page. Everything is ready friend. Okay, here everything is ready for a particular that our project. So now here our front end, our full stack web application is successfully generated. Okay friend, I hope you do like it very much. Here the contact page, so that is a contact page with the map. Everything is also in here. If you want to customize it from to this our backend, you can also able to add it. So only you have to go to that our setting, and into this setting area here, that is our site identity. If you want to update that your site logo, the company logo, FAQs, and the homepage content, homepage heading, a CTA button name, header, navigation, footer content, social link, users, everything is in here. The subscription, analytics, price, testimonial, blog, user, right? So that is all that our user data, some of the demo user data. So the user data is visible, that is our dashboard is visible. So how you can develop this type of one of the project with using that coder.cc, that means autocoder.cc. I hope friend you get some idea. You can build your total entire full stack web application, which will be included with the multiple pages for your front end, and also that will be your backend. Okay, so I hope you get some idea how to build this type of one of the project. Here actually you can do it. Okay, here you can do it. You can check this out there on the website, and how to develop it I have already shared every step with you. Personally, I do like it so much, and when you use it, you can create different type of template as per your expectation. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.